Are you an AR developer? Are you tired of developing countless apps with little or no money to show for? Optera Digital, in partnership with Ignite, brings Holo-Ads, an advertisement SDK designed and developed for AR developers, which allows them to seamlessly monetize their apps. Inbuilt with the latest technology, this one-of-a-kind SDK uses contextual-based recognition to bring adverts suited to the consumer's unique needs. Rather than the same old intrusive and obtrusive legacy ads, the AR ads powered through our SDK have the capability of being a natural part of the app experience. The end result? An ample return on your investment. AR/VR is a booming industry, and the existing app advert market is filled with revenue. However, when it comes to the AR market, the developers are stumped. That's where Holo-Ads comes in. This Unity plugin is a developer's best friend. It is compatible with ARKit, ARCore, and Vuforia. And for the first time ever, it introduces image, video, 3D, and parallax ads as well. Holo-Ads has been designed to cater to developers that can market their product to the corporate sector as well as everyday consumers. Holo-Ads, your one-stop digital solution for a thriving digital age.